Struggling to find storybooks that excites your kid? What if you can create custom storybook that feature your own kid as their hero with stunning visual and easy to read story? Well, you can create this too using Google Gemini. Let me show you how. Go to gemini.google.com and upload the image of your kid by clicking on this Add Files button and uploading the image. After selecting the image, you can click on the Open button and now enter a prompt which tells Gemini to create a short bedtime story using the image as the main character, and the name of the character is Rin, and the story is about discovering hidden talent. So I'll hit enter and wait for it to generate a story for me. My story is generated, and now I'll simply copy it by clicking on this copy response button, and I will open the storybook gem by clicking on this expand menu button, going to the gems and selecting the storybook one. In the storybook gem, all you have to do is paste the story that was just generated and hit enter and wait for it to generate the storybook for you. Our storybook is prepared and we can see it here. Now to view it in a full screen, you can click on this full screen button which will open it in full screen, and to navigate through the pages you can just click on this page and it will turn it. There's also an option to listen to this book by clicking on this listen button here. Finally, to download this book, you'll click on this download button here and a PDF of the book will be downloaded, or you can share this book by clicking on this share storybook, which will generate a link of this storybook. So that's how you can create a custom storybook for your children's using Google Gemini.